Do you want to go?
The carbon cycle. The carbon cycle is the incorporation of carbon dioxide into living tissue by photosynthesis and its return to the atmosphere through respiration, decay of dead organisms, and the burning of fossil fuels. The photosynthesis formula is 6H2O plus 6CO2 produces C6H12O6 plus 6O2. The definition of photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight to get energy from carbon dioxide and water. The formula in words: carbon dioxide plus water plus energy produces oxygen plus glucose. The cell respiration formula is C6H12O6 plus 6O2 produces 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy. That formula in words is oxygen plus glucose produces carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. The definition is the process that releases energy from food in the presence of oxygen.
The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. When a plant gets energy from sunlight to perform photosynthesis, it is performing this process to release oxygen and glucose. This oxygen is taken in by the animal in exchange for carbon dioxide, which is released by cell respiration. The animal takes in the oxygen and glucose and releases carbon dioxide, water, and energy. The carbon dioxide leaves the fish at the bottom of the bio bottle and gets taken in by the plant and the allodia in exchange for oxygen.
In the atmosphere, carbon attracts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Carbon leaves the soil through respiration, which releases by CO2, which can carry into rivers and oceans, where it alters the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is where the fish lives. Geosphere is when a fish dies or decays and its carbon is released back into the area. And the carbon enters the ocean from the geosphere in a form called biocarbonate. Geosphere is a decomposition chamber. The sun gives the energy to start the process of photosynthesis. Biosphere is a space where carbon releases the decaying animals. When an object decomposes, it releases carbon into the atmosphere. CO2 is released into the atmosphere during decomposition.